Begin by carefully unboxing your Danby 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Remove all packing materials and verify you have all the necessary installation hardware. Critical step: let the unit stand upright for at least 4 hours before use. This allows the internal coolant and fluids to settle properly, ensuring optimal performance and preventing damage. Next, measure your window opening carefully. The window kit needs to be assembled and potentially cut to fit your specific window size. Apply adhesive foam seals to the window sash and frame. This prevents air leakage and ensures efficient operation of your air conditioner. Insert the assembled window slider kit into the window opening and secure it properly. Ensure it fits snugly to prevent air leaks. For vertical sliding windows, remember this important rule. The exhaust hose outlet must be positioned above the air intake hose to ensure proper airflow and prevent condensation issues. First, we'll connect the exhaust hose adapters. The exhaust hose has 2 connection points that need specific adapters. Attach the air outlet adapter to one end of the exhaust hose and the window slider adapter to the other end. Turn counterclockwise to secure the connections. Next, connect the air outlet adapter to the back of the air conditioning unit. Insert it firmly and lock it in place by turning it clockwise. Now connect the window slider adapter to the hole in the window slider kit that was installed in the previous step. Ensure the exhaust hose is not overextended or bent. Keep it as straight and short as possible for maximum efficiency. The hose can extend up to 59 inches, but shorter is better. Plug the air conditioner directly into a suitable power outlet. Avoid using extension cords as they can reduce efficiency and create safety hazards. Turn on the unit and select your desired settings. Most units have cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. Start with a moderate temperature setting and adjust as needed. If your model has Wi-Fi capability, you can connect it to your home network for remote control through a mobile app. Check your owner's manual for specific pairing instructions. Your portable air conditioner installation is now complete. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions and safety information. Allow the unit to run for a few minutes to ensure proper operation.